I think one's feelings waste themselves in words. They ought all to be distilled into actions which bring results. Live your life while you have it. Life is a splendid gift. There's nothing small in it. Far the greatest things grow by God's law out of the smallest. But to live your life, you must discipline it. I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. How very little can be done under the spirit of fear. So never lose an opportunity of urging a practical beginning, however small, for it is wonderful how often in such matters the mustard seed germinates and roots itself. I have learned to know God. I have recast my social belief. All my admirers are married, most of my friends are dead, and I stand with all the world before me, where to choose a path to make in it. Why do people sit up so late, or more rarely, get up so early? Not because the day is not long enough, but because they have no time in the day to themselves. Wise and humane management of the patient is the best safeguard against infection. Were there none who were discontented with what they have, the world would never reach anything better. A hundred struggle and drown in the breakers. One discovers the new world, but rather, 10 times rather, die in the surf, heralding the way to that new world, than stand idly on the shore. The greatest heroes are those who do their duty in the daily grind of domestic affairs, whilst the world whirls as a maddening dreidel.